All right, team, if you're like me and you have a light colored interior, this is the Terra option on the BMW i8. You'd think it's clean, but it's really not. So I thought this cream colored stuff, these cream colored leather accents were clean. They do get a little bit dirty when your arm rubs up against it. And then I discovered that whatever this functions as is super filthy. And come take a look, I'm gonna show you. So you can see, this is 2019, you can kind of see how probably some liquid and stuff when the convertible top was down sort of leaked in there and got dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up for you using the Scrub Ninja Max and American Detailer Garage F-Bomb diluted to 20:1. So come check this out. Let me show you this little demonstration. I'm gonna take this and you're gonna see how easily these bristles clean this light colored leather. Then we're gonna wipe it. I'm gonna wipe this off with the Mr. Everything towel. And you can see how much cleaner it looks now. And so now I've committed myself for the rest of the evening to finish cleaning up my Terra leather with the cream option. The great thing about the Scrub Ninja Max is that it has firm but gentle fibers on both sides, allowing you to scrub the surfaces such as leather seats or steering wheels or interiors, or the work that we're doing here on our i8 leather today. So check out the Scrub Ninja Max from Autofiber. You're gonna love this. Look at all that dirt coming right off.